Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected lecturers. We are from Group PBL TPL 214 presenting our project Microcredential Application. First, let me introduce to our team members. The first one, I myself, Sabir Khan, as the team leader. The role is UI UX designer and full stack developer. And our members are, uh, the first one is Aika Parsit Belala. The role is UI UX designer and full stack developer. Next is Muhammad Arifin. The role is database designer, UI UX designer, and full stack developer. Next is Caroline Febriani. The role is documentation specialist and backend developer. Lastly is Nadia Novitri. The role is documentation specialist and backend developer. So the first slide is the problem statement. As the demand of competencies beyond formal education grows, students require flexible and officially recognized learning opportunities. However, existing platform lack integration with institutional standard and fail to provide centralized management for the entire microcredential process from registration to certification. This limitation creates significant inefficiency for administrator, instruction, and participant.
To solve these challenges, we developed MindFlux, a web-based microcredential management system. The system brings all learning and administrative activities into one platform. It supports four user roles. There are super admin, microcredential, instructor, and participant. Each role has different responsibility and permissions. Using role-based access control, every user can only access the features related to their role. Okay, next. The applications provide several main features for each user. The super admin manages microcredential types, admin accounts, instructors, academic periods, and academic programs. The admin microcredential manage courses and verifies participant registrations. The the instructors uploads learning materials, creates assignments, and quizzes, evaluates participants, and decides whether they pass the course. The participant registers for programs, access learning materials, complete assignments and quizzes, track learning progress, submit reviews, and downloads digital certificates after passing all required courses.
Next, this slide shows several interfaces of our application, such as login page, program detail page, program registration page, account lookup page, participant dashboard page, course detail page, and course. Next, super admin dashboard page, manage microcredential type page, manage learning period page, manage microcredential program page, and manage admin instructor page. Next is instructor dashboard page, course detail page, and assignment evaluation. And next is admin microcredential dashboard page, registration verification, and course management. Next is application benefit. Mindflux provide benefit for all stakeholders. For participant is it simplifies program registration, learning activities, and certificate acquisition. For instructor is facilitates course management, assessment, and participant monitoring. For administrator is improve efficiency in managing program, user, and participant verification. Overall, the application supports a more organized and efficient microcredential learning process.
Okay, next is the testing phase. So to ensure the system quality, we conduct the playbook testing. That means the testing focus on validating all functional requirement without examining the application internal source code. So we test all of our 20 functional requirement covering authentication, user manager, program manager, program management, course management, participant registration, learning activities, assessment, progress tracking, certificate generation, review, and profile management. In total, we test like 43 test scenario, including both positive and negative test cases. Next. Okay, next is the test result and validation. So we test like 43 test scenarios for this excellent results. All 43 scenarios itu pass successfully, and the result is in 100 pass rate. And every function we have according is expected output, and this result confirm that Mindflux satisfies our function requirement defined the software requirement specification.
Okay, minimum course requirements. Starting with statistics, we research and analyze academic journals related to microcredential system to gather relevant and reference data. Moving to introduction to project management, we manage project timeline, task distribution, documentation, logbook, and Gantt chart. And then software engineering design. We design use case, activity, sequence, class diagram, ERD, and software requirement specification. In data structures, arrays and collection used to manage score rating and assignment data. And then object-oriented programming. We implement MVC architecture using Laravel with controllers, models, middleware, and role-based access control. In database programming, we design relational database using MySQL, normalization, foreign case, and role-based data management. Indonesian language education. We ensured all project documentation was highly structured and professional. As a result, we successfully developed Mindflux, a web-based micro-credential management system. The system supports role-based access, participant registration, course management, learning activities, participant evaluation, progress tracking, and digital certificate generation. Through comprehensive testing, functional requirements were successfully validated. Overall, this project achieved its objective while providing valuable experience in software engineering, web development, database design, system modeling, and software testing.
And that's all for our presentation. And for extra slide, we have our documentation with Command Pro and ManPro. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.